very long day today. Got 400 kilometers to do, and it's a lot of windy roads, so I'll probably take 8 hours. I'm not too sure if I'll do it all in one day. Having a very introspective day today. It's hot, and I'm stuck in traffic. I really hope I don't overheat. And Colombian drivers are quite aggressive. Like, I mean, they have no qualms. You're trying to pass them, they'll speed up. They have no qualms overtaking you when there's only 2 lanes and gradient 3rd lane. It's quite insane, actually. This day is going forever. I've been driving for hours. I've still got another 200 kilometers to go. I mean, today I've actually got a problem with the brakes. I need to go find a mechanic because I've hardly got any stopping power at all. It's quite dangerous. Within the next 48 hours, I won't have a car. It'd be such a massive adjustment when I think about it. I mean, the Kombi is obviously not overly comfortable, but I guess to a certain degree I've had my own space, and I won't have that very soon. I'll be back in dorms or whatever. It's a very long day. I'm still 150 kilometers away from the guys going to restore the car, but a quarter to night. I don't even know where I am. I'm at a petrol station. I've only, literally in a car, I've only been here, 4 days. So I'm more or less, I'm halfway up the country now. So I don't really sort of know much about the wild camping situation. I'm certainly a lot more aware of what goes on around me in Colombia than I was in Ecuador. Ecuador didn't care about sleeping on the side of the road. It wasn't a problem for me. But here, there's a lot more people and obviously a lot more sort of narco traffic and all that sort of shit and all the problems that go with it. So I'm going to stay tonight in this service station there. But if this hotel, no one's at the hotel, so I'll just park in front of it. This is it. This is the final push to the mechanics. All morning I've been trying to work out what to do, which is a bit of a strange thing because most people are just grateful to have any time off work. It's about to cross over Sul and go and find this snake that I've been looking for years. Now is the season, so the chances of finding a big snake are pretty positive. After that, I don't know, probably swing back to Colombia, check on the progress of the car, and then I don't know, maybe Asia, maybe Israel. I'm going up into coffee country now through Armenia and Pereira. This is a very hilly part of the country, and my brakes are starting to fail. I think I might have air trapped in the cylinder, so they need bleeding. But as long as I take it slow, hopefully I'll make it. There's a lot of downhill sections, they're very steep. Fingers crossed. This is the final ascent to Ibagué. This is steep, man. We got 60 kilometers to go. Gotta run up into up the hills. Okay, you guys introduce yourself. Welcome to the Orange Kombi Adventures.
So, I'm Camille from France.
And these guys, they weren't allowed to ride their bike through the tunnel. Get this, when we were loading up their bike, the Kombi overheated, and for anyone who's watching, I haven't overheated in months, so this is a bit of a first for me, but we're going forward now, so that's amazing. Upwards and upwards, woo! How are you enjoying your Orange Kombi adventure so far?
Amazing, and we've got some toilet paper.
Yeah. I just gave him the Ecuador section of Lonely Planet. Ibagué, where I need to be. It's been quite a day, but it's been really lovely to have some company though. Great fun, these guys. And the guy fell asleep in the back with 2 bikes and all the noise. He was unconscious. But we're going to see this guy, have a chat, see what sort of decision we come up with and best way to proceed. But this guy apparently restores Kombis and sends it to Europe. So if that's the case, then I'll be able to see that his quality of workmanship is good. Okay, not long now. 20 minutes I'll be with the guy. I'm hoping that I get a good feel about this because, you know, I mean, well, at worst case scenario, I'll get him to fix my brakes because my brakes are going and I don't have a lot of stopping power right now. So it's been great. I think I've got confidence in these guys. I mean, it's a pretty small workshop. There's a lot of Kombis there. He only does Kombis and Volkswagen, so that's a good start. You know, it's really about feeling comfortable that the job is going to be done properly because I won't be here and I'm a little bit nervous. Normally for a job like this, I like to be here every step of the way. Right. This is it. This is the last time I do this, so I'm just going to leave it, roll the fucking dice, and what will be will be. This is great. Another local experience. Okay. Such a good vibe down here. Love it. I'm at Christian's house with his father, and you know, the car is in the garage, and they're having me stay in their house tonight. I mean, Colombian kindness, man. And they're even doing my washing. I mean, every time the car is involved, there's always an experience, a local experience, and this is certainly one of them. And here's my bed for the night.
Changa is leche con cilantro,
Yep.
Huevo
Yep.
y agua.
And queso también, or no?
Sí.
Queso. So we're having this. This soup is from Bogota. I mean, man, you can't get more off the gringo trail than this. I had one of the best night's sleeps that I've had in a long time, actually, on my little couch. The only thing that woke me up was all the motorbikes going past early morning. This part of the world, everything starts very early. As soon as the sun's up, people are out on their way to work. What are you having? Huevos ricos.
Huevos pericos.
So today we'll work out the sort of ins and outs of the situation. The clutch is going anyway, so either way, I'm going to take the engine out. The clutch is...